Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you my enhancement number 8, and we were working in our categories view. So let's see how this view displays. Okay, as you can see here we have the Canon products, and inside this category we have the mortar product and the catapult. So let's see the mortar. As you can see, we have the description and the price, stock, and more details like vendor, material, size, weight, and the city from distribute, and the picture. And now we're going to see the explosive category, and here we have 2 products, and we can also see each product on detail. On myth, we have many products. So, for example, we have the instant hole, and we can see the view display with the information, and also the title too. And let's see the last one, the tram and the rocket. Each category displays the product's detail too, as you can see. And if we want to see this page in responsive mode or from a device, the designs doesn't broke because it's responsive. So let's try this. Here our view is this is 54, and as we increase the size, this view is working differently. You can see that the style is modifying. And let's see how a mobile view. I'm sorry. And the same happens with the product. It's responsive, and we can increase the size, and everything will increase. And so we're going to validate the CSS and the HTML5. Let's see the HTML validator. I have here some warnings, but I have 0 errors. And now let's see the category HTML file. The same happens. 0 warnings, 0 errors, sorry. And the warnings are about the PHP site. And let's see the CSS. And okay, the CSS, we have some warnings, but 0 errors, so there are just suggestions. And okay, it is my enhancement 8. So bye.